I want to share with you a very exciting feature that we're getting ready to release end of this week. This will help you build a report with homeowners when you send them a bid. A lot of times, some of you do not have any bids or forgot to add any details in your bio section or even upload a bio video. These stuff are critical to build a trust between you and the homeowners and landlords. But this is a new feature I want to share with you here is in the bid. You'll have an option now to submit a video bid. This video you want to sell yourself. Tell them what exactly you can do, all the qualifications, everything you have to say to get them to speak to you or agree to hire you. It's only about 15 seconds long to record. Just go like, hi, my name is Mike. I've had my construction business. I've been doing this for 20 years. I think I can help you with this. I've got my tools. I'm available tomorrow morning to come in and take care of this. Whatever the message might be, give it a few seconds. This will process your video. Please do not share any personal info. The AI system will detect that in your video and it will stop your video, will not allow your video to be processed and uploaded. So just keep that in mind. Your video is currently being processed. So remember, like, this is a way for you to build that report. Anything you wanted to say, anything you want them to know about you, especially related to this job. So you could just, make your pitch based on their job requirements and criteria. You can add your pricing on top if you want to change the counter price, the tools. And then once successful, you'll be able to see a thumbnail of your video. You'll have these icon of a camera if you want to re-record it or delete it completely. And all you have to do at this point, just hit the submit button. And then what we do is we're going to send your proposal to the client to include your bid. Let me show you how it looks from the customer standpoint. This is your profile. It will have, again, all the details you have. So it's important to fill up this information, especially for those that don't have any reviews. You also have an option to upload your, who you are, introduce yourself in a form of video. This will be generally attached to every bid you send. And up here, you'll be able to see all the bids, all the reviews that were written by previous customers when they hire you. But the most important thing is here, the customers will be able to open the video and they get to see my name is Mike and listen to it. And of course, if they have any questions, they can always use the chat, or if they're satisfied, they go ahead and hire the button. I urge everyone to start utilize the video bid feature. It's going to be released by end of this week, but in the meantime, be sure to go to your bio and upload a video about who you are. Trust me, this will help you close more deals faster than you could imagine.